effort to rope in journalists like Paladin, Sainath or Barahat, but incidentally they said initially okay, and later they were not available. Then we went for an alternate, but incidentally that personality emerged as a good and more relevant person to that session. On that day, Jayanta Ghoshal is a Bengali journalist for the last 35 years. He is in journalism. And incidentally, he was there at Paris in 2015 when session was there. And in the latest COP26 also, in the initial 4 days, he was there at Glasgow and returned. So he made beautiful observations that how nations are not giving much focus to the real issues where they are supposed to put focus, but focus has been diverted. Beautiful inputs he was sharing with the audience. I don't know how many of you took part into that session on that day, but it went off well with four other potential speakers from different experience backgrounds like Uma Sudhir of NDTV, Rakesh Tudu of faculty who is working for the transparency and especially in this fake era, the real source of information where it can be retrieved and how it can be utilized. And that faculty initiation also a good initiation as far as data mining is concerned. And apart from the Tudula Sudhakar, who is investigative wing head of Times of India, he was also there. Narsana was also taking part on the day. And Professor Purushottam Reddy gave a good housing for all of us, how deliberation should go. They said that repeatedly it is happening again and again that media is not discharging its real duty, what it's supposed to do as per its the main principal aim of media is supposed to do that informing, educating, entertaining and motivating these other four primary duties of the media. But incidentally in certain cases where its commission and omission is not doing that. That has been beautifully explained by all the speakers, saying that how over a period of time the degradation in professional efficiency and focus and non-focus, how they are missing that element supposed to go on, and interpreting with the local happenings like climate is such a subject with a lot of complexity. It has to go into the people at large section where they can understand how I can, as an individual, can relate with the subject of climate change and what sort of role I can do as a group of people, the civil society, what it has to do to motivate them in that line. What media has to do at its role, that element is missing over a period of time. That is visible evidence here, even in this summit also. That discussing well, and they also said that how media, because of its proprietary coming into the area of content and proprietary intervention into that, and proprietary becoming put into the hands of corporates by the political system, that's also giving adverse impact of its real purpose, what's supposed to do. These are where that is the discussion. That was also all along the discussion and said it went well like a live wire. It was with all potential speakers, and that the Kota Nilima also, who did many degrees from JNU, Delhi University and later in Washington, she representing India for different causes of the society for various reasons with her valuable inputs with the research study. She is representing in international forums also. What is the scenario prevailing in the country? She also made a beautiful observations. And I would like to bring some takeaways from that particular deliberation. GM's by and the visit of NIT. In these 50 days, another development took place here at the center. In the process of going with NIT, we invited the delegation from NIT of Varangal and the director and 5 other deans, 6 other deans were here. Basing on their sharing of certain beliefs, and also these 5-6 potential speakers on the day of media communication, thematic discussion, among certain things. I would like to make 1, 2, 3 proposals. I would beg for attention, Director. Thank you. Three things I would like to propose. This 13 days deliberations, we took much initiation, especially we have to thank both Professor Purushottam Reddy and Professor Narasimha Reddy, because he put a lot of effort into that, and he did beautiful dissection of the happenings of Glasgow every day. And that also he documented for the purpose of media. Every day was released. Again, a pathetic response from the media here. I would like to say, no hesitation. My 33 years of media experience, but I don't try to say the truth. Is that media is nowadays not paying any attention to the issues, core issues, which is impacting huge population. Worldwide, that the media is least vulnerable to all findings of this section what we did from CGR. That he documented those 13 days happenings. I propose to bring out a beautiful book of all 13 days what happened at what's supposed to happen, but incidentally what happened. That is one component. And second thing, every day what we did thematic discussions by involving many experts, like with having vast experience, and their different their different perspective towards to certain issue. మనం చాలాసార్లు ఎక్స్పర్ట్ అంటే ఆ రంగంలో ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ కోసం ట్రై చేస్తాం. నేను that is my last minute spark that Narsana should be there in that media, because he will have a beautiful overview from outside rather than the journalist. So atla బయట నుంచి కూడా చూసే వాళ్ళ యొక్క పర్స్పెక్టివ్స్ డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటాయి కదా. మన 30 days thematic discussions in కూడా incorporate చేస్తూ we should come out with a beautiful book. That is my one proposal. And the second proposal is that after interaction with those NIT people and by these all 5-6 speakers on that day, sir, you are also for the entire 3 hours from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock. We would use how potential they express certain lacunas in media side, and especially for individual journalists. Uma Sudhi was telling that localize cheyadamu, local impacts to the interpreted cheyadamu. Global such immediate training is required to journalists. So this as a center for excellence of knowledge, if we consider as a center, we can do a small training course for journalists. Sure. That is my second proposal. And third proposal, with this experience of 30-50 years, I would like to, hereafter, whatever the activity we are taking with us, a small event or a big event or a marathon event which runs for the days together, but at the end, while giving a press note to the media or making a document that for our data storage, we must give a paragraph what civil society can do for that situation, what individual can do for every by default. For every event what presenter, CGR and we are taking, we should record it. What individuals can do, what as a civil society can do in that. That over a period of time that will become a valuable input. But and also anyhow we will give every time for the media release. Let the media wisdom prevail to disseminate that sort of information again into the public domain. We pray that. But these are the 3-4 takeaways and the way forward that I would like to share with this hours gathering. Thank you.